Morning,
Morning,
I'm Richard
I'm Jackie,
and we're Early Retirement Wanderlust.
and we are on the white sands of Luskentyre Beach. So it's a momentous occasion this morning. It is 13 weeks that we've been houseless, but it's not bad when this is what you wake up to, living in a van.
We've moved down from Lewis back to Harris and we had a great day yesterday. It was a little bit wet, but we drove around the Golden Road, which goes around the east coast, and then we just came up this west coast.
Yeah, we stayed in a little car park just over the sand dunes behind us, so it was quite sheltered because it was really quite stormy again last night, but that didn't bother us.
But Luskentyre, we thought we'd hit some great beaches so far, but we just forgot how amazing Luskentyre is. It's endless, we've had it to ourselves. The sun has been beautiful this morning and it's not even breakfast time. We always knew that we were on a one-way ticket until we got a completion date for our house. What we didn't know was that completion date was going to come at such short notice when the storm was hitting the islands for 48 hours and there was no ferries. So we booked a slot on the last available ferry after waiting out the storm. We then had a full-on drive home overnight to complete the purchase of our dream house in the Yorkshire Dales. And after 14 weeks of waiting, we have finally got the keys to our new house in the Yorkshire Dales.